Thank you for coming to KSHB.com and checking out the weather blog. We're going to check out the drought monitor since the 1st of October. We were in pretty good shape at that time, and the California drought, if you'll notice, is vanishing. Well, it was vanishing, and for us, well, it's starting to increase. We're not really in a drought yet. It's just abnormally dry. There's a drought going on across Oklahoma and western Kansas. But we continue to stay dry like this. The drought conditions will increase, and we are fearful of that as we go into the spring. There are two storm systems we're watching. One is where there is no drought. There was in the summer, but it is long gone. That is New England. There is quite a storm there, and another one in the southwest. A storm in New England bringing some snow and then eventually rain to New York City. Boston could have anywhere from 3 to 12 inches of snow, depending on the rain-snow line. Kind of a tricky storm, but yet another wet storm. If you're headed to New England the next day or two, definitely check out those flight delays. And then this storm in the southwest, well, it's going to move into the southern plains, and it might bring us a little bit of rain. I'll show you that here on our PowerCast right now. So for today, no rain. High pressure moving in, a north wind about 10 to 20, 47 to 53 degrees, a little on the windy side. As February days go, this is going to be pretty nice. However, compared to yesterday, not nearly as nice. So kind of crazy. And in New England, here is that storm with the rain and the wind and the snow. It is low pressure dominating New England, not high pressure. And so there's your main storm up there. Then as we go into the middle part of the country, parts of Oklahoma and Texas yesterday, southwest Oklahoma and northwest Texas were near 100 degrees on Saturday. That is ridiculous. And now by Monday night, there's going to be some rain and snow. They really need the moisture down there, as you saw, especially Oklahoma, where there are some drought conditions. So tomorrow morning here in Kansas City, it's dry. Western Kansas, a few rain or snow showers. And as we go through the day on Monday, you will see that we remain kind of cloudy but dry with increasing rain and snow off to the south and west of us in Oklahoma and Texas. If you also notice, there's a little bit of rain or mixed snowflakes in south of Nebraska and north Kansas. There's a little northern extension to this system, and as we go towards Monday night, that little northern extension will streak across. We could have a little bit of light rain on Monday night. No icing or anything like that. Temperatures will be above freezing, but a little rain shower or two. I'll show you how much in just a minute, and then by Tuesday morning it's gone. Decreasing clouds, while the storm continues in the southern plains where they need it. They definitely need the moisture down there, especially after that bizarre 100-degree day on Saturday. So how much rain are we expecting? Well, 1 to 3 inches of rain down there in Oklahoma and Texas, which is great news for them. But for us, piddly amounts. A trace to a tenth of an inch the next 7 days. And that all hinges on Monday night. So pretty incredible there. And I want to show you something else on the jet stream. Let's see if I can get this one up here. I'm going to put the jet stream up. This is our jet stream. This is why we don't have much precipitation in the forecast, and also unseasonably warm. There's a trough in the eastern Pacific. There's a trough in New England with the storm. And as we go into Wednesday and even into next weekend, this ridge is going to move right back over the middle part of the country, dry and unseasonably warm. So if you liked yesterday's weather, it's coming back. And you see that trough in the west? That'll eventually move east and could give us some rain chances and precipitation chances towards the end of the month. But my goodness, or the last 10 to 15 days of the month. But my goodness, we are looking at some continued dry weather and back to unseasonably warm. So here is the forecast today, 47 by noon, 52 at 3 p.m. North winds kind of gusty through the afternoon, and then this evening those winds come down to under 10, even under 5 miles per hour. And on Valentine's Day, it's looking pretty good, 54 degrees during the afternoon, and then during the evening falling into the 30s, but with some light winds, pretty decent weather. And on the 7-day forecast, the only chance of rain or anything is Monday evening, and then Wednesday or Tuesday, Valentine's Day, 54. Wednesday, a little cooler, 45. Then 60 Thursday, back up to close to 70 again by next Saturday. The end of February, last 5 or 10 days of February, first 10 days of March, those are our chance for 1 or maybe 2 chances of some winter weather. Other than that, it's just not looking very wintry. Have a great rest of your weekend and week ahead.